This is an absolutely beautiful car. Beautiful alloys, 5-spoked alloys there in black. You don't want to see my ugly reflection. A200, great engine. Drove it up here, absolutely perfect. The inside is as if it's like new. Hardly, I don't think wherever it had many friends. Couldn't go in the back here because it's hardly been touched. It's walnut, is it, or hazelnut leather. Phenomenal. See the mileage there? Really is. God, you can smell the leather in here. Honestly, it's fantastic car. Example, I should say. Beautiful alloys. I love the black. Personally, we get a super garden there. Really is stunning. Insurance book 20. Only 62,000 miles. Beautiful semi-automatic.